Oh, hello, everybody. This is your stay-at-home grandma, and I am making flan. Yeah, flan. And for those of you that don't know what it is plastic bag yarn. And what I'm doing it for, a few months ago, well, during the summer, when my girls went to vacation Bible school, there was a young lady there who knew a lady that made mats for the homeless and other things besides just, mats for the homeless, all kinds of things with it. And I knew about it, but I hadn't really subscribed to it. Well, I had saved so many bags for her, and I tried to get in touch with her, and she belongs to one of our sister churches, so, good luck with that. But anyway, tried to get in touch with her before the holidays, and then I just didn't. So then I was sitting there, and I was looking at all the bags, and I said, well, what am I going to do with them? And I said, you know what? I'll make the plan myself, and I'll make the bags for the homeless because I know how to knit. Crocheting is not my thing. I guess I should crochet, but I can't. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, and then the next thing I'll do is I'll show you what I make out of it in the next one, in the next video. Um, Also want to give some shout outs, but let's do this for a minute. So this is all folded neatly, as neat as possible. Okay, then you're going to fold it over again, like this, and press it out. That's one good thing about plastic, it presses out pretty good. Press it out, press it out, press it out, and then press it out again. Now, this is the thing. You're going to cut off the handles. You're going to cut this off right here. About go in about this much. Okay, that was easy, right? Throw that in the trash. Then you're going to turn this around, and you got to cut the end part off too. So you take about an inch off of that. Now, this is the easy part, to me anyway. And I looked at a couple of videos just to make sure that I was doing the right thing. So then you cut this off like this. Cut this off like this. So how's everybody doing? I am doing fine. It has been bitter cold. We're supposed to have a heat wave tomorrow. It's supposed to be 24, I think 23 or 24. And then it's supposed to go up to 50 by either Thursday or Friday. Now how long that's going to last? Because usually down here, we used to 30 and 40 degree weather. So if it gets cold, it's usually like in the 20s. We haven't had one of those deep frost ones in a while. But those things happen. Anyway, so now that you've got it cut, okay, this did not cut well, so we're going to throw this away. But this is what you have when you cut it like I'm going to do it again so you'll see it. Okay? Don't worry about it being even. So then you're going to take this, okay, and you're going to join it together. Real simple. Do not pull it really, really tight, though, because it's plastic. Okay, so you're going to stick this through here like this. Then pull this through. And that's how you join it together. Again, stick it through. We'll join all these together, then I'll show you how to make a ball. Pull this through. And don't pull it too tight, because it will break. Now, the funny thing about this is, once you get it knitted, though, I find that it's very hard to break. And it's very good for the homeless as mats because they can lay this under there and they won't get their things wet. But it also makes really good, like shopping bags, when you're going shopping. We'll make one of those too. Makes good shopping bags. It makes good, makes regular bags. I'm actually going to try, okay? I've got to get one of my knitting patterns out, but I'm going to try to make a raincoat and see how, I'm just not right away though, so don't get all excited. I'm going to try to make a raincoat and see what that goes, what that does. So you're doing this, and this makes for A really good thing. So you're going to take and you're going to cut some of this off, just a little bit, because the whole end didn't come off for some reason. I don't know why. I'm going to take this, I'm going to cut it off. So I got one more. Okay, so this is the last one. So now, once you pull this one through, get it through nicely and everything like that, what you're going to do is, you see this ball of yarn that ball of yarn that I've started? I'm going to stick this through here like this. Stick this through here like this. Yeah. And then I'm going to very carefully pull up this side like this. Okay. And then I'm going to knot it like that. Okay. So now you have, okay, and one broke. So what I did, okay, because one broke before, because again, is I tied it a couple of times with my little arthritic hands, best I could, because I don't want to, again, tie it too tight. But if anybody knits, sometimes the yarn breaks and you tie that. So one more time, and then I'll cut the yarn. I'll cut the yarn. So I'll cut that piece right there. Okay, and then I'm going to, now it looks just like a regular ball of yarn, except it's plastic bags. Okay. So then you leave this, as soon as you get down to the last part right there, you leave this out so that you can continue to extend it. All right, let's do one more, okay, shall we? Okay, nice yellow. Whose bag is this? Oh, ShopRite. Okay. Bring the little corners in as much as you can. Press it down nicely. Put the scissors out of the way. Take this, fold it over again, 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 fold it over. And then press it down nicely. The sides get plastic handles off. I don't know what to do with those. I really don't. I'll probably think of something and they'll be all thrown away, but who knows. And then this end. I probably should have done this live, but I wasn't thinking, so. Okay. Now that that's done, we're going to I had to stop because the girls were here early and we did some artwork with today as well. And so I've been doing artwork all day. I usually try to do it on Sunday because the kids come over for a little while, but nobody's here much. Well, my husband's here, but, and I have to give you a tour of my art room. It's almost there. I just have a few things to do. I gotta fan that out a little bit. I think I'm gonna leave this because I kind of cut. Okay, and then here we go. Take this. Make sure that it's like this. Take this. Make sure that it's like this. Put this here. What did I do? And that's it. So this width. So we're gonna again try this. Like I said, you got to be real careful with it because it is not yarn and it is plastic, and sometimes some plastic bags are heavier than others too. So as soon as I finish this, I'm going to give the shout outs, and then I'm going to finish doing what I was doing. So Sunday night's going to be art and shout outs. Okay, so I'm going to stop this for a minute and give the shout outs. So our shout outs, and I'll have the WWs up in the description box. It will be Sandra's Hall, Osmond Shun, Heather Bursky, Petalus Bless, Secret Soda, and Eileen McGlinnis. Okay, Secret Soda and Eileen McGlinnis. Actually, I was watching them yesterday, and they taught me how to recycle. Well, they used regular rolls of toilet paper, but I used paper towel, and I think you saw that. If you didn't go see the video, because I did do the molds. I put the paper towel in the molds. They haven't dried yet, so you'll see the repercussions of that after the do's and the do nots. Okay. Anyway, I love you all. Take care. God bless. Bye bye.